Hello and welcome to my video tutorial on how to use CloudForge. This video is brought to you by FIU SCIS Advanced Software Engineering class and presented by Rosmar Marcano. In this tutorial, I will show you what is CloudForge, how to get started, and how it works. What is CloudForge? CloudForge is a tool that provides a complete application lifecycle management for development teams with built-in integrated collaboration and software development tools. These tools offer visibility into real-time projects with other team members. Next, I'm going to show you how to install and set up CloudForge. And finally, I will demonstrate how to use CloudForge. So let's get started. First, you need to go to www.collab.net, create an account. Once your account is created, click on Products, then on CloudForge, and log in. These actions will take you to the dashboard from where users can start creating their projects, add services, integrate, manage users, import, and publish. Once the project is created, the system will send the user an email with a link confirming the creation of the new project. Once the user clicks on the link, he or she will be able to go to the project's homepage and from there be able to start adding their trackers. But let's hold on trackers for now. First, let me show you some key features offered by CloudForge. I will illustrate these features using a PowerPoint slide because for this tutorial I was granted a free trial, hence could not add other members to demonstrate it live. With CloudForge, users can define product roadmaps, foster team collaboration with TeamForge project homepage, view project status, documentations, and resources, or drill into specific releases or iterations, aggregate metrics and burn down reports for program-wide visibility. Also, estimate work items. Realistically, estimate project efforts without creating yet more efforts for themselves. At the same time, view, assess, and update estimates across work items. Then, let the system calculate total efforts automatically. But let's get to the real thing now. Let's go back to trackers. Trackers allows you to perform agile project planning and tracking. The graphical reporting shows progress against the plan. The work items include defects, epics, user stories, and test cases that can be tracked as artifacts. And the best part is that it is completely customizable. Defects is where you document all the issues, bugs, and change requests. This tracker can be used to capture all issues in the product, or it can be used to capture only work needed for sustaining. Tasks can be used to track a specific work needed on defects as well. In this section, users can add artifacts ID, title, assigned to, submitted by, status, and category. Product backlog or user stories. Stories can capture all ideas for feature at the highest conceptual level, such as themes or general features, epics, or the specific use case or user stories. This tracker encapsulates what you want your product to do. Tasks are used to define the work needed to accomplish these stories. Populating product backlog can gather requests from users so they can be transformed into the epics and user stories. Task tracker is the work to be done to fix defects or complete requirements. Tasks should be atomic as possible and assigned only to one person. Tasks capture the how, in other words, showing the work to be done. Okay, so let me show you how to insert your defects, your backlog items, and your tasks into CloudForge. I have created a folder for demo purposes, but I want to show you how to create your new folders. So just go Planning Folders, New, and in here you give your folder a name, description. You can add the status, if it is in progress, completed, abandoned, not started, capacity, points, start date, end date, and display the efforts in hours. Just save and it should show you project name like in here. So when you click in here, you are able to see what tasks you have added to your backlog. And in this case, how I did it, you just go create new, submit a new artifact. So you just basically give a title, a description, and the status, and then you save, and it should take you to this screen. And same for defects. You can record your bugs, your issues, your change requests, and everything that you might think that needs to be fixed or worked on, and you do it just the same. Just submit a new one and you should be able to edit also and make changes to it, and then save and give the status, configuration, priority, and who was assigned to this particular task, and so on. And here you can change the log, you can add associations, dependencies, and attachments. So for the tasks, you can do them from this screen, or you can do it from the plan. Just click on plan over here and you should be able to see all your tasks and your priorities in here, and you can also move them around as you consider appropriate. Now, one thing that I really like about this tool is the many features. You can add your project to a repository. You have that option here through Git, or you can build and test. I don't have any project created, but you can do that here also. And on the file release, you can see all the releases of your sprints. On documents, you can add all the documents pertaining to your project, tables, BRDs, pictures, etc. The wiki section, you can add comments and share information with the whole team. Discussions, the same. You can discuss any particular subject and let the whole team participate. And also reports. This section I'm going to show you in here. On the list, and if you go to your product design folder, you can see your burn down chart, you can see your open priorities, and you can also see how many tasks you have opened and how many are closed and also the capacity. So to recap, let's go back to Open Tracker defects, which track work items and manage backlogs. Captured product requirements from product teams, business users, and IT operations centrally and securely manage backlogs, maintaining associations to documents, wikis, and discussions. Associations allows two pieces of data together to provide traceability throughout the system development lifecycle. This includes transactions posts, documents, wiki pages, and source code commit, and tracker artifact. This tool also comes with built-in email integration so users can monitor any item to receive email notification when that item changes. You can also create a new artifact by email or add comments to an existing artifact. This tool also is equipped with global search capabilities to help you easily find the data across all projects. Each TeamForge project contains a link to your Subversion repository for your source code versioning needs. This tool provides commit-hood integration that allows you to update and track artifacts as directly from your commit log. The Association tab provides a full traceability of all changes. In file releases, the binary packages can be stored so other team members can access them. This tool provides discussion forums with mailing lists, wikis, and a document management for easier access to co-locate and distribute team members to version and share information in a central location. Codify, build, integration, and test processes. Manage and standardize build and test activities directly from within TeamForge. Easily integrate Hudson or Jenkins using certified plugins, or integrate any other build tool to implement your own continuous integration and delivery capabilities using TeamForge's Open API. Deployment automation. TeamForge deploy with automates and orchestrates all the activities involved in application deployment from within TeamForge. It fits into any IT environment, controlling handoffs and coordinating changes. TeamForge Deploy executes deployments accurately and manages application changes across the enterprise. All deployments are governed by common role-based access control and permission management to ensure security and segregation of duties. CloudForge allows users to begin development immediately, whether you are developing for the enterprise, the web, or mobile. CloudForge is 100% diagnostic, allowing users to manage all the technologies and tasks on a single platform, as well as giving you the freedom to use Subversion or Git under the same roof. CloudForge also allows you to use all tools and processes. It allows you to leverage, extend, and add value to your existing investment and gain traceability across your applications. So if you would like to try this tool, just sign in for a free trial at cloudforge.com. And thank you for watching my tutorial.